India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, Vikrant. Today's topic, 2 September 2022, will be a historical day for commitment of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Indian Navy and the entire nation with the commissioning of first indigenous aircraft carrier, Vikrant. Hon'ble Prime Minister Modi would be the chief guest of this momentous occasion. Vikrant is the largest warship to have ever been built in India. It is also the first indigenously designed and built aircraft carrier for the Indian Navy. First indigenous aircraft carrier, Vikrant. Vikrant is designed by the Warship Design Bureau, Indian Navy's in-house organization, and built by Cochin Shipyard Limited, a public sector shipyard under Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Vikrant is christened after her illustrious predecessor, India's first aircraft carrier Vikrant, which played a vital role in the 1971 war. The 262-meter long and 62-meter wide Vikrant displaces approx 43,000 tons, having a maximum designed speed of 28 knots with endurance of 7,500 nm. The ship has around 2,200 compartments, designed for a crew of around 1,600 that include specialized cabins to accommodate women officers and sailors. The carrier is designed with a very high degree of automation for machinery operation, ship navigation, and survivability. The carrier is equipped with the latest state-of-the-art equipment and system and have a fully fledged state-of-the-art medical complex with latest medical equipment facilities that includes major emergency modulator OT, ICU, laboratories, isolation ward, and telemedicine facilities, etc. Why Vikrant is special? The ship would be capable of operating air wing consisting of 30 aircraft comprising of MiG-29K fighter jets, Karnov 31, MH-60R multi-role helicopters, in addition to indigenously manufactured advanced light helicopters and light combat aircrafts. Using a novel aircraft operation mode known as short take-off but arrested recovery tow bar, the aircraft carrier is equipped with a sky jump for launching aircraft. Indigenization of Vikrant. Vikrant has large number of indigenous equipment and machinery involving major industrial houses in the country, that is BEL, BHEL, GRSE, Keltron, Kirloskar, L&T, Wassia India, etc., as well as over 100 MSMEs. The indigenization effort has also led to development of ancillary industries, beside generation of employment opportunities for 2,000 CSL personnel and about 13,000 employees in ancillary industry, thus boosting nation's economy. A major spin-off of building an indigenous aircraft carrier is the development and production of indigenous warship grade steel for the ship through partnership between Navy, DRDO and SAIL, which has enabled the country to become self-sufficient with respect to warship steel. Indigenous context of the project is approximately 76%. The indigenous construction of aircraft carrier is shining example in the nation's quest for Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiative. With the commissioning of Vikrant, India could join the select group of nations having the unique capability of indigenously designed and built an aircraft carrier, which will be a real testimony to Make in India thrust of Government of India. The induction of reincarnation of Vikrant would strengthen our defense preparedness and will be humble tribute to the sacrifices of freedom fighters of the nation and to the brave soldiers of the 1971 war. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to give your valuable feedback below comment section. Please like, subscribe and share the video.